What if I told you that you could build a product once, sell it 1,000 times, and never touch a shipping label? No inventory. No customer returns. No 3 a.m. where's my order emails. That's the digital download business model, and today I'm going to show you how to go from a blank screen to a live product for sale in one sitting. Step 1. Picking and actually building the product. Before you make anything, you need to answer one question. Does anyone actually want this? The number one mistake beginners make isn't bad design. It's spending 3 days polishing something nobody was searching for in the first place. So we're going to stack the deck in our favor. 3 digital formats that consistently sell well year-round. 1. Printable goal trackers and planners, habit trackers, budget sheets, meal planners. 2. Flashcards and educational printables for toddlers, language learners, or exam prep. 3. Social media template bundles, quote graphics, carousels, and prompt guides for small business owners. Today, we're building one of the most reliably popular formats out there, a 30-day fitness and mindfulness journal. Here's the shortcut most people miss. Instead of guessing what prompts to write, we're going to let ChatGPT act as our market research and content team rolled into one. Open ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. Act as a professional fitness and wellness coach. Write 30 unique, daily reflection prompts for a 30-day mindfulness and fitness journal. Each day should include a motivational daily focus, 3 reflection questions, and a short habit checklist. Watch what happens. In about 20 seconds, you'll have 30 days of structured, genuinely useful content sitting in front of you. But don't just copy and paste it in raw. That's the difference between a product that feels mass-produced and one that feels like you made it. Read through each day, warm up the tone, smooth the transitions so it reads like a journey instead of a list. That's it. Your core content, the hardest part for most people, is done. Now, let's make it look worth paying for. Step 2. Designing the product in Canva. Here's Step 2. Turning plain text into something people will actually stop scrolling for. Head to Canva. The free plan covers everything you need here, no upgrade required. Click Create a Design, and set your dimensions to standard US letter, 8.5 inches by 11 inches, or A4, depending on where most of your buyers are. You've got 2 paths in. Option A. Blank canvas, build it yourself with Canva's shape and typography tools. Option B. Search the template library for journal page or planner layout to borrow smart spacing and structure. Just make sure you customize it enough that it doesn't look like a template anymore. That's what separates a product people pay for from one they scroll past. Let's build a clean, minimal layout. 1. Header, a simple line at the top, day, number, daily focus. 2. Content box, clean outline text areas for the reflection questions. Stick to a readable font pairing like Montserrat or Playfair display, nothing that fights for attention. 3. Interactive elements, small checkboxes next to the habit list, so it works whether someone prints it out or checks it off digitally on an iPad. Once day 1 looks right, here's the move that saves you hours. Duplicate that page 30 times. Drop in each corresponding ChatGPT prompt, day 2 through day 30. Add a cover page up front, a short note of encouragement at the end, and just like that, you've got a full 32-page journal, ready to sell. Click Share, then Download, set the file type to PDF, print, and you're done. That setting matters. It's what keeps the print quality sharp when a customer actually prints this out. Step 3. Packaging and setting up shop. This is the part most beginners skip, then wonder why nothing sells. Packaging. Here's the truth about digital products. Nobody buys a file. They buy what the file does for them, the feeling of being organized and control on track. Your listing has to sell that feeling before anyone reads a word of the description. So back in Canva, search Journal Mockup or Digital Product Mockup and drop your pages into those frames. Suddenly your flat PDF looks like a real book sitting on a styled desk, tangible, premium, worth clicking on. Now, where do you actually sell it? Etsy, best if you're starting from zero. Millions of buyers are already searching fitness journal printable today with no marketing from you. Gumroad or Shopify, best if you're planning to drive your own traffic through TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. Setting up the listing takes under 10 minutes. Upload the PDF, add your mock-up images, price it. Digital planners typically land between $5 and $15 and write a clear, benefit-focused description of what's inside. Step 4. Driving free traffic. This is about getting eyes on your product without spending a cent on ads. Two channels consistently outperform everything else for printables: Pinterest and short-form video. On Pinterest, create 5 to 10 pins in Canva showing preview pages of your journal. Use search-friendly titles like "How to Stay Consistent with Your Goals This Month," then link each pin straight to your store. Pinterest works like a search engine, not a feed. A pin you post today can still be driving traffic 6 months from now. On TikTok and Shorts, you don't need to show your face. Film 7 seconds of an iPad flipping through your journal pages, trending audio underneath, text on screen. I was tired of feeling disorganized, so I built a 30-day system that actually stuck. Put your store link in your bio. One video catching traction can send hundreds of targeted visitors straight to your listing. Here's the part nobody wants to hear. The tools have never been more accessible, but a tool sitting unused makes you exactly $0. So don't overthink this. Block off 2 hours this weekend. Open ChatGPT, generate your outline, open Canva, and get your first product out into the world. Done beats perfect every time. If this saved you time, hit like, subscribe for more step-by-step breakdowns, and drop a comment telling me what you're building first. I read every one. See you in the next video.